Hello dear students, welcome to Chemicals Academy. Today I am going to explain molecular formula. Molecular formula. The molecular formula is represent to organic compounds. The molecular formula is represent to organic compounds. Organic compounds. It is also called chemical formula, and it is description of the numbers and types of atoms present in the molecules. It is a description of the numbers and types of atoms present in the molecules, and it is also called true formula. True formula, because it tells you how many each kind of atoms present in the molecules, actually present in the molecules. So the molecular formula is a description of the numbers and types of atoms present in the molecules. It is C4H10 and C2H6, C2H6O and C2H5Cl and CH2Cl2. It is description of the numbers and types of atoms present in the molecules, and description of the numbers, it is how many atoms present in the molecules. But here in this, see 4 carbons and 10 hydrogen atoms present in the molecule. It is a description of the numbers, actually atoms present in molecule. So it is called true formula. Okay, now how can write in molecular formula? It is very easy to write in molecular formula. So that is the main key points is there. The main key points is the organic compounds. The organic compounds, carbon and hydrogen atoms listed as the first elements in molecular formula. It is the first key point about molecular formula. Second key point is remaining elements are followed by alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. It is alphabetical order. Means the molecular formula is carbon and hydrogen are listed as the elements in molecular formula. It is first listed as the molecular formula. It is, see this molecular formula. It is molecular formula is, it is first listed in molecular formula. It is carbon and hydrogens are fixed in carbon, hydrogen first listed in molecular formula. It is carbon and hydrogen is the first key point, and remaining elements are followed by alphabetical order: chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen. What is mean remaining elements is But which one elements are remaining? Elements is bromine, chlorine, fluorine, iodine, nitrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur. These elements are remaining elements. It is followed by alphabetical orders. It is halogen groups. Halogen groups. It is halogen groups. So, in this molecular formula, in organic compounds, hydrocarbons and their derivatives is called organic compounds. But it is carbon and hydrogen, hydrocarbons, and remaining elements mean derivative groups, oxygen and is derivative group is both carbon and hydrogen and oxygen, including to form molecular formula. It is molecule, it is organic compound. So carbon, hydrogen and remaining elements including to form organic compounds. So in molecular formula is main key point is, first key point is in the organic compounds, carbon and hydrogen are listed as the first element in molecular formula. It is molecular for first element. It is fixed. And the second key point is remaining elements followed by alphabetical order. See here, if halogen groups of atoms present in molecular formula, if organic compounds, the molecular formula, if halogen groups are present in molecular formula, it is followed by alphabetical order: bromine, chlorine, fluorine, iodine. See here, according first key point is fixed. Carbon and hydrogen is fixed. Carbon and hydrogen fixed. Next, follow the alphabetical order. But bromine, chlorine, fluorine, iodine. In this molecule, fluorine and chlorine is present. So it is follow the alphabetical order: chlorine and fluorine. It is give the numbers. How many carbon atom? 2 carbon atom. And hydrogen 2, chlorine 1 and fluorine 3. It is molecular formula: C2H2 Cl F3. It is molecular formula. And next, it is fixed. Carbon and hydrogen fixed. How many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. Hydrogens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And halogen groups, remaining elements, bromine and chlorine present. It is follow the alphabetical order: bromine and chlorine. It is simple to find out molecular formula from these structures. And 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon and hydrogen fixed, 4 carbons, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, and bromine and chlorine. And C3H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and it is bromine and chlorine. And all elements are present in one molecule. So it is fixed. Carbon and hydrogen fixed, and C2, H2, bromine, chlorine, iodine and fluorine. It is the molecular formula. It is the molecular formula. So next, if nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur groups of atom present in molecular formula, it is alphabetical order. So now it is carbon, 2 carbons and 5 hydrogen, nitrogen and then oxygen. It is followed by alphabetical order. And now carbon, see 5 carbons and 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrogens. And next groups, remaining groups, oxygen and phosphorus present. According to alphabetical order, oxygen and phosphorus. And C2, 4, 6, H6, 6 hydrogens, and oxygen and phosphorus. Remaining groups are only oxygen and phosphorus elements are present in molecule. So followed by alphabetical order. And in this C2, 2 carbons and 6 hydrogens, and in this group remaining groups are nitrogen and sulfur is present. It is followed by nitrogen and sulfur. It is followed by alphabetical order. In this one molecule give nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, all elements present in one molecule. It is followed by alphabetical order. And C2, H6 and nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus and sulfur. It is the alphabetical order. It is followed by alphabetical order. It is key points is first key point. It is carbon and hydrogen, and second key point remaining elements are followed by alphabetical order. And if all mean bromine, chlorine, halogen groups and nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur present in molecule formula. It is alphabetical order. Bromine, chlorine, here fluorine. It is alphabetical orders, and give the molecular. It is C2 and H3. In these remaining groups are oxygen and chlorine present. So it is chlorine and O2. It is molecule formula. Remaining next molecule is C2, 1, 2, 3, 4, H4, and remaining groups are phosphorus and iodine is present. So it is iodine and phosphorus. And next group is C2, H3, and 1, 2, H4, and remaining groups are present oxygen and sulfur. And in this C2, H3, chlorine, oxygen, sulfur. It is followed by remaining groups are followed by alphabetical order. In this molecule, how many carbons is present? 2 carbons and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hydrogens, and chlorine, oxygen and phosphorus. It is the molecular formula. So easily find out given molecule, given structures, that is complete structure or condensed structural formula and bond line structural formula. Whatever it is easily find out molecule formula. You follow the 2 key points, that is the organic compounds carbon and hydrogens are listed as the first element in molecule formula. It is one key point. Next key point is remaining elements are followed by alphabetical order. It is very important key points about molecular formula. It is easily find out molecular formula given structure. Next I give some other molecular formula for homework. So I give few examples to predict molecular formula, bond line formula to molecular formula. It is for homework, and give a comment box every molecular formula. Thank you very much.